Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm trying out Kylie's birthday collection. Just a few of her little goodies that she launched on her birthday. So without any further ado, let's get started. So you already see I have my eyebrows done. I tried something new with my eyebrow. I really don't know if I like it or not, but you know what, I'm gonna just roll with it. I'm gonna go with it. I used Maybelline Brow Precise Micro Pencil. And I mean, it's different or whatever, but it's not my usual. But like I said, we're gonna roll with it. I'm gonna go in with my Bobbi Brown stick foundation. I'm so happy to be home, y'all. Man, those 3 weeks at work, boy, they were pain. I almost quit my job 2 times. I swear to y'all, no lie. I'm gonna go in with my Holy Grail chai and clove. Y'all, why wasn't I recording? I don't give a fuck. I'm still posting this. So all I did was contour my face. Fuck, Yuri called me and distracted me. Gosh, I blame her. So y'all blame her. So really all I did was set my contour. I set my contour with my Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. And then I contoured with my ColourPop bronzer. And then now I'm going to go in with my Milani setting spray. And I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay All Nighter. I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape to conceal my eyelids for eyeshadow base. And I'm going to set that with that same Urban Decay. With that same banana powder as earlier. So this is what it looks like. Yes. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna go in the crease with this color right here, which is Mimosa, I'm guessing. And I'm going to put that in the crease. Okay. So now that we got that color in the crease, I'm going to cut my crease with MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. Hopefully, I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm gonna take this color, which is Check ID, this shimmery champagne looking color. I'm going to use my Morphe M408 brush to do so. This is Sangria. I'm going with that color. And I'm going to put that in the outer. I'm going to put that in the outer. I really want to go in with like a black. I think I'm going to. I don't know how I feel about that black like that, but so then I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to smudge out that eyeliner with the Morphe N169 brush, and I'm going to put some black out on there. I'm going to just smudge it. And smoke it out. I'm going to take my Double Ups by Ardell 204 and I'm going to apply these lashes and then we'll be almost done, y'all. We'll be almost done, y'all. Okay, so now that we have all that, all good and Gucci, I'm going to put this on my bottom lashes. This mascara. I know I haven't put on no highlighter yet. Don't worry, sis. It's coming. Actually, you know what? I'm going with this Morphe M501 brush. This is how it look. Let's do a little swatch here. That's how it looks. Ooh. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I did. This is like my second time kind of doing a cut crease, and this time I actually kind of did a good job in my opinion. You know, I can work on a little more things, you know, whatever. But if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. If you are not yet subscribed and haven't hit that bell button, I don't know what you're doing with your life, because we got more content coming. We got content coming. Yes. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.